Most people get this wrong when they want to stop paying for Amazon Prime temporarily. They immediately look for a pause button and spend hours searching through account settings. But here's the truth: no one tells you. Depending on your membership type and region, a traditional pause option may not always be available. In this video, you'll learn what options Amazon Prime members typically have in 2026, how to manage an active membership, and the safest way to avoid unwanted charges. Let's get straight to it. The first thing you need to do is sign in to your Amazon account and go to the Prime membership section. This area contains your current membership status, billing information, renewal settings, and available membership management options. If Amazon offers a pause feature for your account type or region, it will usually appear within the membership management section. Follow the on-screen instructions and carefully review any information about how the pause affects your benefits. But here's the problem. Many users assume every Prime account has the exact same options. That's not always true. Amazon can offer different membership settings depending on location, account status, promotional memberships, or subscription type. That's why two people may see different options inside their accounts. Now, here's where it gets interesting. If you don't see a pause option, you may still be able to prevent future charges by managing your renewal settings. For example, if John knows he won't use Prime for the next few months, reviewing renewal preferences could help him avoid paying for a service he isn't using. In a minute, I'll show you the mistake that causes many users to get charged unexpectedly. Before making any changes, check your next billing date. This small step can save you money and confusion later. Take Alex as an example. He thought he had already stopped his membership, but he never verified the renewal settings. When the next billing date arrived, the subscription renewed automatically. This is where most people fail. They make changes without confirming that the update was successfully processed. Always look for a confirmation message or email after modifying your membership settings. Another smart move is reviewing which Prime benefits you're currently using. If you're actively using shipping, streaming, or other included features, make sure you understand what may be affected before pausing or changing your membership. Now let's wrap it up. If you want to pause Amazon Prime in 2026, start by visiting your Prime membership settings. Check whether a pause option is available, review your renewal preferences, verify your billing date, and confirm any changes before leaving the page. Those simple steps can help you stay in control of your subscription and avoid unwanted charges. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment below sharing your experience with Amazon Prime membership management.